Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series, guys, generation 2005, 2013, and we're going to go ahead and show you where to find and locate the fuse for the rear window defroster. Now let me tell you that this generation BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes, so the location of yours might differ. Always double check everything before you do the repair. Now the fuse panel is located behind the glove box of the car. Okay, I'm going to show you quick here now. And this is the rear defroster, and if it doesn't work, okay, we're going to go ahead and show you now how to get to it, to that fuse. There is also a relay, it's on the channel as well. So we'll need to go ahead, open the glove box. Okay, now right here, okay, you can see those turning things need to point up, okay, on each side, and when they do, the cover will come down. Okay, just like that. Now we need to locate, guys, fuse number 46. Fuse number 46. So if you look at that square of fuses right there, you can see number 46 is this one right there, the one on the left in the middle. It's in our case it's a 30 amp fuse, so we'll get the fuse puller. We use the big side. The little side is for the small fuses, big side is for middle fuses, and the large fuses you have to pull by hand if you need to. Okay, and okay, let me go ahead and grab it now. Perfect. This is it, guys, right there. Now we have the video for the relay as well on the channel. I'll replace it with a new fuse. Okay, even though it's not blown, I'll just replace it. This is what it looks like. So you can find the replacements that we use in the description of the video below. Now make sure that you get it in where you're supposed to, the correct hole, and also if it doesn't want to go in, don't force it. Something's wrong. You need to align both of the pins so it can push in all the way. And after that, do not forget to install your fuse puller as well, because if you need it next time and it's not there, it's not a good thing. It's almost impossible to pull those out by hand. And do not forget to put your cover here and turn those twisty things 90 degrees. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please, hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.